mystery of a water leak can be tricky and costly. Today on Tips and Tricks, we will demonstrate a thorough and proper procedure to perform your own test for windshield leaks. Here is what you will need before you begin. 2 people, a garden hose, a standard spray nozzle, and a strong flashlight. Before we start, it is important to remember these precautions. Number 1, do not use a pressure washer. You want to avoid damaging the paint on your coach and potentially creating a leak where one doesn't exist. Number 2, always start at the bottom of the glass, then work upwards. The key to solving your leaky mystery is using process of elimination to identify the root of the leak. To get started, have one person stand inside the RV right up to the glass with a strong flashlight. Have the other person stand outside about 6 to 8 feet in front of the windshield with the spray nozzle set to a steady spray of water. You can start on the right or left side of the shield. Just remember to start spraying at the bottom of the shield first and spray directly where the rubber seal meets the glass to simulate the way rain hits your windshield while driving. As the person is spraying from the outside, have the person on the inside follow along with the flashlight, watching the exact position of the water as it makes contact on the outside of the shield. Spray the water back and forth about 5 times in 1-foot sections, moving from one side and working your way to the other side, while staying at the bottom of the shield. From the inside, continually follow along at the pace of the spray, using the flashlight to illuminate the area while inspecting. Use a bare finger to touch along the seal where the water is hitting the outside of the glass, making sure it feels dry to the touch as you follow along. Once you have tested the bottom of the shield, from one side to the other, you can now repeat the steps for the sides of the shield, remembering to work from the bottom to the top. After testing the bottom and the sides of the windshield, you can then test the top portion of the shield using the same technique. If after testing the entire windshield area, you determine that it is not the source of the leak, you may want to consider roof-mounted items as a source. This could include marker lights, roof horns, antennas, and even roof seams. We suggest contacting a reputable RV repair shop to further assist in determining the source of the leak. If you did identify a leak in your windshield, reach out to a qualified RV glass shop. Not sure of one in your area? Give us a call and we'll help you find one. We hope this video helped you narrow down your leaky mystery and put you on a path to a solution. As always, don't hesitate to give us a call if we can be of assistance. If you found this video valuable, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other RV glass related videos. Thanks for watching RV Glass Solutions Tips and Tricks. The rubber seal meets the glass. Dang it! That's so great. Okay, I can't screw this one up. Thanks for watching RV Glass Tips and Tricks. Oh gosh.
Thanks for watching RV Glass Tips and Tricks.
He's going.